I'm getting
you're going to experience.
because I look rich.
Okay, I was speaking.
Courtney is literally.
Raedymion 2024. You're going to experience Raedymion like you've never ever experienced it before.
Like you're right.
Buckle up, bitches.
I'm breaking their hearts. Like, bitches be quick, but I'm quicker. Bitches be thick, but I'm thicker. She could be rich, but I'm richer. Take it on man. Don't give a fuck. Out in the yams, and I keep them on tuck. I make me some jams.
Yeah, it's better watch out out here catching shit. They'll knock in your head. I knew my hair was puffing up. I felt it. Missed our reservation, and I felt my hair was going to. Yeah, we walked a long way to get here. This traffic is ridiculous. If I get hit. If I get tapped. Is that basic chicken?
Take it on man. Don't give a fuck. Out in the yams, and I keep them on tuck. I make me some jams. Unlock that advance. I support the bands. To do my little dance. I'm a brand. Bitch, I'm a baddie. I get what I want. See, I look like a.
I'm here. We're here. And I was trying to win the bounce capital of the world. I think we parked on Roman, right? Yeah. But we outside. Got us a little deuce today. We're gonna catch some vibes. I'm trying to liven up. Get in my talking mode.
Got some goddamn on it.
Wow. I think we're coming up on my people now. Coming up on our folks.
What they cheering at?
These are our babysitters. For the birthday girl. Alright. Period for my girl Rachel. Alright, let's do this. Cause you drunk. Alright, Rachel doing it for her birthday. What is called Raymond? Say it for him.
So it's Endymion. However, it's Raedymion.
Alright. You better come on. You better give it a hug around.
Hold on, Nene.
We done get rolled over. What's up? What we doing it for?
We up.
We're doing it for
We up.
Raedymion.
Raedymion 2024. You got to experience money, but like you never motherfucking
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm fucking tripping, man.
We ain't even think about that bitch.
My car.
Shame her game. Alright, now let me get up. I said that, told Diva. I said, Diva, you want your makeup mirror? You know, I knew that was her, but I got down there before her, so I knew. She gonna tell myself, oh no, you good. Then she told me, alright, you gonna have to get up now. Bitch, I asked you if you want me. I tried to give it to you soon as you came down here. And she gonna tell you, so she gonna chill. Come out and have this kind of like kids and all. A whole different type of environment. There you go. Ain't no place like New Orleans. You feel me? But anyway, happy Mardi Gras. Love, peace, blessings. And y'all be safe.
Now say something for YouTube.
Love, peace, and happiness. It's all about happiness, joy. Change your prayers up, ask for joy, everything else to come to you.
Absolutely. Hey, Diane.
Hey, honey.
Okay, we got D Balloon Fairy. Now.
And the Balloon Fairy, yes.
Yes. Set up by, let's get into this decor. What's up, big bro? What up? What it do? Lola's finest. What's up? Check the feet. Y'all don't see it? Hey, my lit mother-in-law. She's drunk. She's drunk. Endymion don't owe her nothing. Hey.
Oh yes, bitch. I don't know if the hoes ready. Do you hit the baseline? Do you hit the baseline?
She made me some jungle juice, so you can't taste any liquor. And I only took 2 sips of it, and I could feel it.
So come to the stage, one a triple threat to always be lit.
And she full of shit.
Damn! Y'all see the do you like that? Y'all see the decor? Y'all never see Raedymion like this. Hey guys!
My nigga even in the building. all day. You took them bitches, bro. Oh, God. No,
I told you I wanted to accumulate. I told you. I said I want to accumulate. Don't play with me.
Bit was saying. Bit was saying heaven, nigga.
I said I want to accumulate. I just told him.
Mardi Gras, 2024. New Orleans. Better get it. You want to have some fun. All night.
My real fake roll. Raven, let me see what you got. What you got? What you working with? You got, make your chain ride. Show them what you working with. Right, what you got? Never that damn bake. That's all you want to have. That's crazy that y'all like, that's the new party like. Showed a whole lot of titties, period. I just playing. I ain't show no titties. No, I did. Show no titties.
Your shot ain't up there.
Yeah, let go.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. It's all off. Look at this.
They got barricade. They know they should be booming. It is to start a business. All you gotta do is get some storage containers and stack them on top of each other. And there you have it, a business. Small sliders.
Problem child.
That look good. I just wanted to let y'all know, if you're ever in Metairie, I don't know if this everywhere, but go to Small Sliders. Like, this thing is so seasoned. It's so good. The fries good. Everything good. Really, really good. What happens when you hard hit? You got to come out here and fix these for a taco. He don't F it up. I told him, he done ran on the curb. He do this to my car. He do this to his cars, rental cars. It don't matter. He gonna do. Do not let this young man get your vehicle, cause he gonna hit the curb. But he know how to fix them. So check him out if you need it done. What you eating off the floor? Huh? What you eating off the floor? Massage chair is giving, honey. Okay? Hey, babe, you do feel good. Love me. Love me. This is all you want to fucking do. I love this over here, dude. I look a mess. My cousin look a mess. Levy look a mess.
Yeah.
We all look a mess. Look at her guy. Y'all see all the groceries in the pantry? Goes.
And I ain't even coming, I'm in and out. And you ain't about the shit you rapping about. And I can spend the whole rapping it down. I'm going on.
Baby. Who's gonna find the golden beads?
What did you put cutie?
I don't know. You have to collect the other beads. You have to get the other beads. Yeah.
One bead. So I can have cutie pie?
Yeah, you gotta find her.
No.
Where'd she go?
Please go right here.
You see Cutie?
People at an airplane at you.
She found her. She found her.
I got plenty of beads. I'm finding all of the beads.
You gotta find some more.
Okay.
Did you found more bees? Yep.
I did. I'm blending. More beads. Collecting.
Keep looking. They're big golden beads.
How do we find big golden beads? Where did you hide the big golden beads?
You gotta keep looking. Oh, Araya found some beads.
I found some beads. Ah, I found the big golden beads. Look. Look.
You did. Yay.
Why you won?
I don't know. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep finding beads.
We're famous. We're famous. We're famous. Hello, my name is Ariella.
There's some more. Huh?
Let's put it at the Hello. Yes, find it.
No, I don't have to find it. She said you gotta find it. I thought, I had confidence in y'all. I just knew I was like, them sweet babies ain't steal my phone. I know I ain't crazy. My phone was sitting right here.
She got it.
Why y'all put the toys like in front of like we walking?
It's fun fair.
Oh, okay.
It's in the toy box.
Alright, you did on
The toy box.
Why you did?
Windy out here. Hopefully I don't get all that wind, but the vibes. We got one meat dish coming up. We about to get ready for the next. And of course, we Tesla gang around here. So yeah, we're gonna see what's next. All right, the vibes. Crawfish, birthday, call for Decker. They got you. Drive up to the window. I'm finna get messed up, y'all. Out here with my folks. We vibing. We got big beads on deck. Big rings that light up. I got some more stuff back there too. But we going hard again tomorrow. Get some more stuff tomorrow. Yeah, y'all see the vibes. If you got a goal in mind, come to our house. We'll eat like that but one time a day. Tell him. He be starving. He be starving.
What? Three meals.
Yeah, you. This man with this hat.
Why I wake up?
Y'all, he had more hats. I just want to let y'all know he had more hats.
Plenty on.
He just like to be special.
War Eagle.
Roll Tide.
War Eagle.
Diva
My
did eat
neighborhood.
potatoes.
Roll Tide.
Oh, love, I still need the thing.
What?
You can get when you come back.
What?
Where that? What's there?
The light, yeah.
Go get it.
No, my knee.
Oh, you right.
I'm gonna use that all the time. I'm gonna use that all the time for now. My knee hurt. I can't.
Purple motherfucker.
All right. Y'all with that light, y'all gonna see the potato just look like this right now.
The potato definitely look a little ratchet, but I swear
They good. They're huge.
I swear they're good.
Why we need 5 potatoes anyway? I guess split one with the kids. Them kids ain't gonna eat that potato.
As long as they got baked beans.
All right,
Come
this
get
what-
into these baked beans.
Into the
Mashed
vibe.
potatoes. They good. I swear.
What are we doing?
It's gonna get too cold outside. Yeah, about to eat.
Famous Hennessy baked beans.
Alright,
Never
I'm finna get drunk and eat baked beans at the same time.
It do sing.
The house be changing.
Yeah, it just whatever they expected for that time.
Alright, well, we're gonna see what the vibes Corey got us on. What happened? Araya, no, actually, Aubrey said something about you burning her hot dog earlier. It looked like you're doing the same thing to her.
If it ain't burnt, it ain't. I don't like them like this.
That's what she was like. She didn't want that dark stuff on her food. So look, stop burning all this shit.
I don't know why she tripping because my food was staying.
You be burning your food too, Diva?
If it ain't burnt, it ain't right.
Okay.
Right, cuz.
Alright, here, babe. Get your drink.
Oh, my bad.
It's just very simple, you know. Toast to my people. Toast to good times. Alright. Alright. New Orleans with it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Rashida B, just coming live. Fat Tuesday. We're going up, we're going hard today. No, we're not. I'm just lying, y'all. But nah, we in New Orleans still, catching the vibes. Actually, y'all excuse this noise. This young man keep taking the key out the car, and so it makes the car make all that noise. But anyway, like I said, it's your girl Rashida B just coming through. You know, today we're going hard. It's Fat Tuesday. Actually, I gotta get on the road, so I'm not gonna go too hard. But you know, we out here in our Valentine's Day spirit. You know, got my little Juicy Couture 2-piece on, and I'm gonna rock them with my, you know, little Ritz bottoms. But they hurt like hell, so we'll see. But yeah, so we're about to go get crunk, go get live, turn up a little bit before we hit the road. And then I have to get back to Georgia. I need to work. I need to get myself together for this wedding. You know, I just got little things. I got lash appointments, hair appointments, nail appointments. Like, your girl gotta go get fine, okay? So yeah, we wrapping this up today. This is it. After the day, we out, you know. So my cousin, she was like, June, you need to stay. It's Fat Tuesday. And I'm like, girl, I don't be caring about these parades. But I've been having a great time, a really good time with my people, with my family, you know, just kicking it with them, just catching the vibes, catching the bees, getting hit in the head with the bees, just doing all that, you know what I'm saying? But having a good time. So, excuse me. Anyway, so we at the gas station right now. This is one, I guess this is maybe the start of a parade. I don't know yet, you know. I'm assuming this probably like it's about to start. But yeah, so yeah, it's early. It's a little cool. The temperature dropped a little bit today, but you know, we're gonna wang with it. I got me a little coat, but I don't know if I'm gonna wear it because the sun is shining, so it's a little hot for this probably coat I bought, but just in case I bought it. But anyway, I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know what's up. Stay tuned for the vibes because we're bringing them as always, per usual. And I just wanted to get on the camera, you know, because I was looking cute today. I'm about to, you know, do away with my bob. I'm gonna miss my bob, but about to run it back for another Jesus lane. So other than that, yeah, we outside. Top of the camera, let them know, get into the drip, you know, old back in the G, red bottoms, Christian Louboutins, got me a little Juicy Couture 2-piece set on. Excuse me, let me check myself, you know. Yeah, that way. Little urban outfitters today. I think this urban outfitters first too. Yeah, that way. And the cheesy fancy ball. I remember I used to want one of these so bad. Back in the G. My mama did not get right from the prison. Y'all already know I'm with gang. With gang now. We outside. But yeah, I'm with gang now. We outside. At the parade. I sure hit my button on work. I gotta get that repaired ASAP. I done got too used to it.
man.
Right, yeah.
You got some Hennessy?
Yeah, we get him. God told him about anything necessary. It's $20 to make them some money. $20 a day truck. Period. Yep. Hope nobody come around here fucking with us. Big Hennessy is right. That's how much. Give everybody know your phone to put where they want food. This is crazy, man. I hope she send $1,000 to herself since she gonna get her the phone. She gotta get her the phone to put in with it. How much it is? What? That's how much these.
How much is?
20.
Hold on, you put a tip on it or was it 20 by itself?
I put a tip on.
Huh?
So I put a tip on.
Hey, babe, I think we getting little. Babe. Babe, I think we getting little.
Get a hug.
I don't know where they went. Yeah, look at
Don't get it twisted.
Corey, you so crazy.
Still the worst capital in the world.
Alright.
All Louisville's the hood around this motherfucker. That's just about my house.
Why y'all never go to the parade and over there?
I don't know why my little pilot had just told me that.
It was straight.
Gas
And that
fees over there.
my boy said we in motherfucking New Orleans, alright. My boy said we in New Orleans. And that's where we at. And we were just at Zulu. Turned up. Yeah, let me show y'all all I got. Oh yeah, and you gotta be something special to get one of these, okay? Anybody don't get coconuts. Any and everybody don't. They ain't for everybody. But you something special if you get it. So guess who got one? Alright. And I got the dope Mardi Gras bead. Then I got me a little what they call this thing? I know it's the Saints thing. Oh no, this a Mardi Gras thing, but got me a little bottle opener. Period. And then what else we got? Got me a little umbrella. I don't know what these things is. Little measuring sticks. I'm gonna get these to my niece though. Got them so they can aspire to it. You just try to do that. What? Want to throw that can down. Yeah, if you park down here, you got a ticket. Don't park up here. Don't play that. Don't play that parking where you want to in New Orleans stuff. Alright. So yeah. We had a good time, but like I told y'all, it's time to get home. We got things to do. We had a good time with my folks. We was outside. We chilled. The vibes that I really like to do, stay in the house all day. Love it. He ran out the house about 40 times on one day. But we had a good time, y'all. So yeah, we about to be out. We on this road, 7 hours strong. Oh, I just thought about something I should tell y'all too. So I ended up telling Bean about his Valentine's Day gift because I want to get the wrong dog. And I really don't want no dog. Ooh, babe, they towing cars. Maybe that's not ours. I hope it's not. Ooh, child. Anyway, let me get back to the topic at hand. I think I see us still there. Ooh, let's hurry up and get there. I want to just... Why they doing the most? They know it's hard to get parks in.
That's how we gonna make our money too.
Jeez. They know it's hard to find a park for Mardi Gras. But anyway, so... I had to go ahead and spoil it because I wanted to just surprise him. You know, my original thought was, and I should have just did it, but I didn't feel like the lady would want to, you know, let me see the dog and stuff in person like that. And we weren't buying. I just didn't want to do the most. So, I should have just bought it. But I wanted to make sure it was cute and of his liking before I got it. But anyway, so I told him about the dog. And, we about to go get the dog and see if we like the dog and want to make Dove our new our new child. It's gonna be Lovey Child, but listen. I ain't doing all that. They ain't got nothing to do with me. We got a ticket, baby. We got a ticket, though. Yeah, I see some paper on the window. You see it, right? Well, at least we ain't getting that right there. I'll take that end today. Over there, right there. That right there gonna be a little more expensive.
Oh, maybe not.
Maybe not. Maybe it's the reflection. Okay, New Orleans. We have one.
Okay.
Got us a little spot in the front and Dollar General. Shout out to them. Okay. Got us a little coconut. I told y'all about my coconut already. Big beads. Big beads, big coconuts. Yeah, I'm tired. Your girl is tired. My feet are crying. They like, baby, get off of me. They crying real bad. My knee crying, everything crying. I just broke down. Broke down, child. I thought I was gonna have to get on living back for a second. Bro, you would let me go on your back? You out there acting like a kid, catching. Why you got this dirty ball? This from Endymion. Anywho, we about to have on this road. And I'm finna get out of here. Cause I'm finna talk to my man. And just glide on to the city. What he doing? I hope you know what he doing. Cause I don't wanna be up here stuck from doing nothing that. Alright. I just stopped at Kenny Seafood. What is this? I know this ain't no salad. I ought to cut some out. And look at these little shrimps. Oh, child. One would have been more than enough. Alright, y'all. We're about 49 minutes away to see if we're gonna take Dove home. Now you wanna take the dog home?
Yeah.
You don't even know if you're gonna like the dog. You ain't even seen the dog. She said she done about to get her a bath. Well, she said she about to get her a bath. Hopefully she get the dog a bath too. But she finna gather all her belongings and bring them. I'm like, dang, can we get a little look at moment? But nah, I don't think it's gonna be that. So I've been sitting over here doing some research on this dog. And the dog can't come to my house.
What?
That dog gonna have to stay. You gonna have to drop me off and go back home. That dog not coming in this house. I'm peeing and biting on my furniture because it like to run all the time. But anyway, I'll come back in and let y'all know how I like this dog when I'm thinking about it. And show y'all the living new dog if you decide he won't. So we're about to get out and see how Dove looks. We are here. They probably looking like, where the fuck y'all going? So yeah, we got Miss Monica pulling up with Dove. Oh, look at her. Oh, this can't be my pet. This is not my pet. I'm not gonna get attached to dogs. Oh, hey.
Hello. Stop.
Okay.
Now,
my beads.
I knew you guys, she can stand here so you can look at her good.
Okay.
I knew you guys were gonna be traveling, so she had dinner, she ate, she pooped, she peed, she played, she is ready for a nap. Okay, do you want to show? We've been working on her stance. I'm sure you saw in the picture, she's tired now. But what I do is I put her on a little stool. There we go. There we go. You gotta wake up. And then you position her little legs.
Okay.
And she just gotta stand pretty. Okay? You ready? And then I'll make them. She could stand a little better than that. She's tired, I could tell. But see, your head needs to go up. And I make her practice.
Right. Okay.
Practice. She's got to hold that point. So when she sees a bird.
Right.
And then sit.
Baby.
You're not sitting good. She's working on the sit. The sit is a little touch on her chest.
Okay.
Sit. I know you can sit. She says I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then can we do your tummy rubs? Can you do your little nurse? If you ask the nurse, she'll update this off for you.
Okay.
Okay, AKC papers. It's $40 to register her.
So we decided to get Dove. I got a doggy. I don't have a dog. Hey Dove. Hey gorgeous girl. Well, anyway. Anywho, Dove is not really up for it. Lil' mama tired, so we're gonna get back to y'all on another day. She'll talk to y'all later because she cold and she tired. So yeah, we about to snuggle and go night-night. And then right, Dove.